Welcome to the Quickstart for Cloud Bigtable. On the Bigtable page, select Create Instance. Under Instance Name, type Quickstart Instance. This should auto-populate the instance ID for you. For this Quickstart, select Development as the instance type. Under Zone, select US East 1C. Then click Create. Once the instance has been created, open Google Cloud Shell. And after it's initialized, type in gcloud components update, followed by gcloud components install CBT. Then insert the project and instance information into the CBTRC file. We can now create our first Bigtable by calling cbt create table my-table. We can confirm its creation by typing cbt ls. We will now create a new family for the table and call it CF1. We can confirm its creation by typing cbt ls my-table. Now we can use the cbt set command to set a key value pair in our table and use cbt read to verify that the key value was stored properly. Congratulations, you've completed the Quickstart.